Alright, parents, now for numbers 19 through 20. It wants the students to find a reasonable estimation. So, for example, the first one is 8 times 312. A reasonable estimation, they could do 8 times 300. That would be about 2,400. So that would be a reasonable estimate. We know that 2,400 would give us an answer close to 310. Or 312. They could also do 8 times 310, which would give them 2,480, and that would be an acceptable, reasonable estimation as well. But after they estimate by rounding to a number that is close to that large 3-digit number that's probably scaring them, I want them to go back and also find the actual answer. So we go back and we do 312 times 8. We know that 2 times 8 is 16. We carry that 1 and put the 6 in the 1's place. 1 times 8 is 8. Add that 1 gives us 9. And 3 times 8 is 24. So that gives us 2,496. We can see that 2,480 or 2,400 were fairly close to 2,496. So that's a reasonable estimate. With number 20, we have 6 times 240, a reasonable estimate. They could do 6 times 200 and get that sum, and then go through the process of finding the actual answer for 6 times 240. Now numbers 21 through 23, I accidentally left off our measurements here, so I'm just going to write them in. I did send a message on Remind about the links here, so but with area, one thing that's important for the kids to remember is the difference between area and perimeter. Perimeter goes around the outside. Area will cover it. And of course we know that area is the length times the width, and perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side, or side times 4. Now for 21, it's going to be 12 feet long and 4 feet wide. Now when we're finding area, of course we just do length times width. Pretty simple. I did try to incorporate 2-digit numbers because, they are working on the 2-digit times 1-digit multiplication. So to find the area for one like number 21 here, all they need to do is 12 times 4. Solve that, and they've got the area. The same is true for number 23. The measurements on that are 6 feet long times 6 feet wide. Now, one key thing that I am trying to get the kids to understand is that when we find area, it's in square feet. So, for example, if we had a rectangle here, and it was 8 feet and 3 feet. When I find the area, I'm going to do 8 times 3, but that's like saying 8 feet times 3 feet. So we've got feet here twice. That's going to give me 24 square feet. However, the perimeter would not be in square feet. The perimeter would be 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3, and that would give us 22 feet. Perimeter, they're just going to use the measurement of feet, inches, miles, whatever their unit of measure might be there. So always, always, always square feet when they do area. That needs to be included in their answer because it's included on the answers on their test. Number 22 is the same. You do it the same way. It's just in words. So they're just going to do that 52 times 8 to find the area of Christian's backyard in square feet.